Good afternoon, Cthompson here at BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a super nice 2023 ATC PLA 700. This is the 4319 model, so we got 19 feet of cargo in this fifth wheel, along with having the double slide out, which is super awesome. The colors, everything just pops on this. It is super nice, very clean to look at. Come on inside, let me show you some interior features first. We do have the pull-out step that's a nice solid step coming into the entryway. This is a great kitchen setup for this new PLA 700. Lots of counter space, tons of cabinets. Above there with adjustable shelving, microwave convection, counter space area here, plug-ins, underneath light, extra plug-ins, storage down below. Look at that. You can put all your pots and pans in there. Big pull-out drawer, another big cabinet, drawers, pantry. Just an incredible kitchen area, tons of space. This new upgrade for 23 is a great addition. Overhead cabinetry, big couch, adjustable dinette table. This is going to be, as it is the 700 model. It has the airline tracking system in it, so we can arrange our setup to whatever works best for us, whether it be forward dinette, mid dinette, even going all the way back to the back end, and same with the couch. As well as the bulk wall here. This can remove, come completely out to give us our 19 feet of cargo space, or we can utilize it here, or we can move it back 4 feet and put it here to make our living space bigger, garage smaller, or in the position that it's in now would give us the ample room for the dining area and the kitchen and a nice garage. We do have the wall here that closes. So as you can see, this RV is going to give you the functionality of open floor plan or bulk wall with big garage. However you want, depending on the weekend and what you're taking for that trip to go and enjoy and have a great time. This unit's going to have 2 furnaces, so we have one in the garage area as well as one in the living area. So with the what I would say brand X toy haulers out there, conventional toy haulers I would say, they have, as you've probably seen over the years, with the bulk wall, you got one little area that's putting the heat from there to the garage, which we know is very little. This is going to have its own heat system, so much better upgrade. Lots of windows, blackout shades on rollers, which makes it super nice. And again, we all know about the opposing dinette that goes up and down in the bunk bed above. Lighting system, plug-ins on the back. This is going to have the patio kit, so when it goes out, we got an 8-foot patio out the back end. We have the roll-down screen wall that zippers on the sides to keep the bugs out, and we have the gate system to go around the patio when we use it in patio mode. So full functionality of just about however you want to use it. And I will say with the ATCs, have a much greater capacity for the ramp doors. So the ramp door will go down, opening here. So with it down in ramp mode, it's going to carry anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 pounds higher rating than what you see in your conventional toy haulers that's out there. Roll up fender wells, so the fender wells are aluminum in case we have a wide machine that's going to come in here, so we can support that weight if need be. Come on forward, let me show you the upstairs area. The new 23s come out with the Firefly system, so it's all a touchpad remote that we can go to home, we can check our tank levels, you know, we can turn things on and off from here, our lights, temperature for our heat systems and our AC systems, awnings and leveling systems, all right there. We do have light color changing availabilities as well. Come on upstairs. We have a little cabinet up here that's easy access to our 12-volt disconnect and our wiring system, as well as our fuses and breakers right here. So everything really accessible to get to without having to unload your storage to get to it. And then when we get into the bathroom, one-piece shower enclosure, nice vanity, lots of storage for the towels and washcloths. Easy access in there with a nice solid door. Up into the bedroom. This is going to have the king bed on the slide out with the little shelving above, USBs on both sides, the blackout shades, windows on front and rear of the bed to give us the ventilation, and our individual reading lights. Then when we look over to the wall here, we do have a cabinet that's set up for washer and dryer, or it can just be nice big, one big extra closet, as well as having the large closet up front here that the doors will go either way, but you've got your clothes rack here, and then the nice big, great big window here with little vanity area with the well, you could use it for a desk area. It's got a nice little cutout here for if we want to put a little stool there, and we have the drawers there too, along with USB and 110 plugins there as well. One thing I did miss while we were in here in the kitchen area and in the living is the floor is aluminum, extruded aluminum floor with the tracking system, and we got 3 rows of tracking, 1, 2, and then the third one underneath, with this nice woven material for our floor mat. That's a good heavy duty material that's not going to wear out quickly. It's going to be a nice mat. Outside here we have the full awning with the LED lights above. We do have external areas here if we wanted to do an external TV with the antenna plug-in and 110 plug-ins running off the generator, or if we're in a plug-in site. Notice how this sits nice and low to the ground compared to a lot of the conventional fifth wheel toy haulers. 6-point auto leveling system, Goodyear tires. This is going to have the, if you can see down here, the suspension on these are going to be the TorqueFlex suspension with the large tanks. This is going to hold 200 gallons of fresh water and have our fueling station and our big grays and black tanks as well. All built on a large box tube aluminum frame rails. I just like the clean look of the new PLA 700 series. It's not full of a bunch of graphics and gaudy. It looks nice and clean and simple. We do have the big patio out the back end with a nice, easy, lightweight door. So with using the cables, we can have our patio out the back or going all the way down. As you can see, it's almost effortless going up and down with this. And then in patio mode, we have our ramp door to pull our stuff in. They really thought this thing out and made a really nice rig out of it. As you can see, it doesn't take a whole lot of effort to close it. Out the back side here on the off door side, we have our exhaust for our rear furnace. We have our dual fuel stations, one prep for the gen only, and then our fuel station. So the fuel station's up front on the door side, along with the second slide out here, and having our tube underneath for our stowaway for our drain hose. Access into the basement with the pull-out tray that goes out either way. And then this, of course, is going to be our step for the patio kit out the back end. And then our batteries inside here. This is set up for lithium, so we don't need to ventilate our batteries because they are a lithium battery that's not producing off gas. And then with this new design, gave us even more storage. Incredible. You can see the overhead supports for the aluminum flooring. This is going to have a 7,000 watt own-end generator running on gas with our water spigot in case we want to hook up a little electric pressure washer or something, clean off our toys before we put it inside. Going to have our 2 large propane tanks here, all very nice with the blackout diamond plate for protection, along with the Curt Rotoflex hitch. So it's going to be a nice riding hitch when we're connected because it's going to absorb some of that herky-jerky modes pulling with the big rubber cushion on there. Then we have our fuel station that's going to give us our electric pump here with our 6-foot hose to put fuel into our toys. The other side of the above storage area. And then the other side of our lower basement with the pull-out tray. So that about wraps it up in a quick walk around of this ATC 4319 with all the latest and greatest features that you see on it. So if you have any questions or interested in something like this or this particular model or any models that ATC builds, or for that matter any toy hauler, we have a big selection here at BISH'S RV in Junction City. Make sure you contact me direct. My name is Cthompson. My direct phone number is 541-979-1770. Make sure you contact me so I can get you the information and the correct information on what we have in stock. Thank you and have a great day.